Today I'm going to show you guys how to reset your MIMAKI CG130 SR3 to factory defaults. So first what we're going to go ahead and do is turn the power on, make sure everything's turned on, plugged in, ready to go. Power switch is going to be on the inside right over here. Just going to go ahead and flip that upwards. CG SR3 startup version 3.0. Initialize motor. It's going to ask you to set sheet roll. We're going to go ahead and just press the left arrow key here. It's going to ask you the pinch roller. We're going to go ahead and use 2 pinch rollers for this setup here. We're going to go ahead and press enter. Sheet set resetting. We're going to go ahead and size up. Sheet 20.77. At this point it's going to say local, cut 1, speed 20, 100 press, 30 offset with function, tool, and remote. So to get to our setting for factory default setting, we're going to go ahead and press function over here on function 1. It's going to say function, square cut, enter. We're going to scroll down here until we go to setup. I'm going to scroll through. And we're going to find setup reset in here in the settings. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and hit enter. Initialize OK. We're going to go ahead and hit enter on that. And now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and we're done with this. So now, setting up from factory default, go to function, so function 1. Go ahead and hit end to get out of that. Have our settings here listed for us, ready to go. That's how you set up your plotter, your MIMAKI CG130 SR3 to factory default settings.